How to delete your Yahoo account permanently. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to delete Yahoo account permanently. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First thing you need to do is open up your Yahoo Mail and then head over to your profile section. Now from here, you can just tap on the settings icon. And from your settings menu, you just have to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see help. Tap on it and it will open up the help page for Yahoo Mail. And on the search bar, you are just going to search for delete Yahoo account. And once you find it, just hit enter. So on the searches, you'll find this one right here, close or reactivate your Yahoo account. Just tap on this one. Now you can go through this article on what happens if you close your account. So go ahead and tap on this link right here, sign into Yahoo account termination page. And you'll just have to log in with your Yahoo account's credentials here. And just enter everything here. You'll just have to complete a small captcha to prove that you're not a robot and then tap on verify. Once the verification is complete, tap on continue and enter your password. Now to verify, you can push a notification or get a code at your email. Just tap on it to get a code. And once you enter up your code, tap on next and tap on not now for this. Now you'll just have to confirm that you want to delete your account. You can go through this text. You can still recover your deactivated account after 30 days. And if you want to continue with the deletion, just tap on continue delete my account and it will delete your Yahoo account permanently. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.